Students, today I am going to teach you an excellent trick to draw and find the total number of possible isomers in alkanes, that is butane, hexane, octane, decane. Today I will show you from methane to decane. Firstly, I would like to thanks for subscribing, liking for my uploaded previous videos. From it gives you more encourage and boost up to do your demanding videos. With easier tricks, please subscribe, suggest and comments in my videos. First, let me teach how to draw the structure of alkane. One carbon containing alkane is, you can write students, carbon. Okay, carbon valency is, we know that 4, hence you can put 4 bars around the carbon. Each bar of the carbon you can write hydrogen. See, like this you can write. Hence this molecule is called what? Methane. This molecule is called methane. Similarly, you can write a 2 carbon containing compound alkane. See, you can bond with another carbon. See, each carbon valency is how much? 4. Already for this carbon 1 valency is there. You can, each carbon is 4. You can subtract 1 valency. You are getting 3. Hence you can write 3 bars remaining. For this carbon already 1 bond is there. Then you can subtract 4 minus 1. You are getting 3. For this carbon also 3. Beginning only I told, for each bar you can write the hydrogen atom. Like this you can write this molecule is 2 carbon containing alkane, that is called ethane. Similarly, if you write for 3 carbon containing alkane, you can write 3 carbons, you can bonded with a single bond. Alkane means single bond. You can write this carbon containing already 1 carbon. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. You can write 3. For this second carbon, look here, there are 2 bonds already is there, hence 4 minus 2 is 2. You can write 2 bars for this. For this one already bond is there, you can 4 minus 1 is 3. You can write 3 bars. Similarly, you can write hydrogen for this. Like this, you can write hydrogen on bars. Now you can come to what is an isomer. Isomer is nothing but a same molecular formula but different structural formula. So you can observe methane, here only 1 carbon is there, you cannot change the structure, hence the number of possible isomer is only 1. When come to the ethane molecule, if you interchange the carbon 1 and 2, if you interchange the carbon 1 and 2, you appear the same structure, hence here also the possible isomer is 1. When come to the third one, if you interchange any carbon, here also your again appears the same structure. Hence here also expected isomer is only 1. In the case of to write all these formulas, it consumes more amount of time. Hence I would like to teach another way to write structural formula called condensed formula. See students, for carbon is there, you just one put dot. Around this there is a 4 hydrogen is there. This dot indicates 1 carbon. See, if you come to ethane, see, you put 2 dots, 1 carbon and this 1 more carbon. And these 2 dots, each dot indicates carbon connected with a 1 line, that is called bond. Means if you write this one surrounding, there is a 3 hydrogens are there. 3 hydrogens are there. Similarly, for this carbon also 3 hydrogens are there. So it is similar to that of ethane. Like that only, for if you take a propane, you can write, if you write like this, this is a carbon, you can connect through a bond. This is 1 more carbon. This carbon which has surrounded by 3 hydrogen, already this carbon contain 2 bond, hence only 2 hydrogen is present, and this carbon which has contain 3 hydrogen. This indicates what? Condensed formula of the molecule. Hence you can write for methane like this, for ethane like this, and propane like this. When come to butane, how many carbons are there? There are 4 carbons are there. You can put dots like this, 4 dots, and join together. This is the butane, that is N-butane. N-butane. It is possible to change the structure in N-butane. So you can take a 3 parent chain carbon atom, C1, 2, 3, and you can join through this. This is, and one more carbon here. This is, you can join this one. This indicates CH3, CH3. This already 3 bond is there, CH and CH3. This is a parent chain. This is a parent chain. It is attached with a methyl group. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called isobutane. Hence, number of possible isomers in butane is 2. When come to pentane, 5 carbon atoms are there. Pentane. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. You can join through a bond lines. See, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. You can, this can be written in the isomer form. You can write 4 parent chain carbon, 4 parent chain carbon, and you can attach one more group, that is CH3. This is a one type of isomer of pentane. See, if it goes to here, nothing change in the structure. Hence, if you can shift here to this carbon also, again it appears the same structure. Hence, I won't change this one. Then you can write the one more parent chain which has contained 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, and you can write above and below of this carbon CH3 group, CH3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. Hence, for in pentane we can expect 3 isomers. We can expect how many isomers, students? 3 isomers. Now we can going to calculate for exam to write in the same way of the previous way. Previous way means these structures. It consumes large amount of time to write the structure. So we are going to apply some tricks. Why? Because in your exams, to reduce or save the time of working, we go for easy tricks. Let us move to draw the structures just by easy tricks. One by one we can go for C. From the tricks we can fatafat answer in exams. So for alkanes which has containing the carbon atoms, where N indicates the carbon atoms 1 to 7, we can use a formula 2 to the power of N minus 4 plus 1. So you can use for carbon containing 1 carbon. If you apply this formula, carbon containing 1 carbon, 2 to the power of, where N is 1, 1 minus 4 plus 1. How much we are getting? 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 1. You can neglect this 2 to the power of minus 3, then you are getting only 1 isomer. Similarly, if you go to for N is equal to 2 for ethane, 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 plus 1. Again you are getting 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1. If you neglect this, you are again appear 1 isomer for ethane also. If you go for propane also, 2 to the power of 3 minus 4 plus 1. Then it will getting 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 1. If you neglect this, again you are getting same isomers, means only one type of isomer. If you substitute 2 to the power of 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is 2 to the power of 0 plus 1. Hence 2 to the power of 0 is 1 plus 1. Then it is equal to 2. This, what is that isomer? This 4 carbon containing isomer is called what? Butane. Butane. Similarly, you can apply N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. 2 to the power of 5 minus 4 plus 1. That is 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1. Hence, in pentane, we expect 3 isomer. For hexane, similarly, for N is equal to 6 carbon atom containing compound, hexane, 2 to the power of 6 minus 4 plus 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is what? 4 plus 1. Hence, it is 5 isomers are possible. For heptane, similarly, we can calculate. We are getting the possible number of isomers are 9. Dear students, this formula is applicable, this tricks to only the carbon containing 7 carbon alkanes. It will not work this formula for carbon containing 8, 9 and 10. We can go for another tricks to find out the number of isomers 8, 9, 10. This is a higher alkanes. The 8 carbon containing alkane, we can use a formula. See students, 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 2. We can substitute now students, 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 2 for 8 carbon atoms. 2 to the power of 8 minus 4 plus 2. 2 to the power of 8 minus 4 is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 plus 2. I will write 2 to the power of 4 plus 2. It can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 plus 2 is how much? 18 isomers. Hence, we can use 18 isomers we are possible. When come to the 9 carbon containing alkane, then you can use a formula 2 to the power of n to minus 4 plus 3. And you can write for 9 carbon atom 2 to the power of 9 minus 4 plus 3. 2 to the power of 9 minus 4 is 2 to the power of 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You are getting 32 plus 3. You are getting 35. We are getting the possible isomers containing 9 carbon alkanes is 35. When come to the carbon 10 carbon containing alkane, it is very easy tricks. That is, you can use the formula, another formula, that is, see students, don't get confused, 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1, similar to first formula, plus n, you can, number of carbon atoms, you can substitute. Then you are getting total number of is 75. You can substitute and check students. Or another trick is there, you can sum all these 9. You can sum all these 9. 1, this 1 to this, you can substitute. You are getting the 75. If you sum this one, you are getting the this one. Or this is the total formula for 10th carbon atom. It is sum of 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 2, 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 3. It gives the value 75. Or you can write 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. It is the sum of this. You are getting the 75. It is a very easy trick students. Please subscribe to our channel and support us continuously for to upload more videos.